In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Coursera certificate. Whether you've recently changed your name or need to correct a misspelling, updating your credentials is a straightforward process that ensures all your achievements reflect your true identity. Let's dive in and go through the steps together to make this update. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Coursera website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings page. The Settings page is your one-stop destination for personalizing your Coursera experience, so it's important to familiarize yourself with the various options it provides. In this particular situation, we're focusing on the name verification section. This section is crucial because Coursera uses your verified name for all certificates and official course records, making it vital that this information is accurate and up to date. Once you've located the name verification section within your account settings, you will see an option to request name change. Go ahead and click on that. This link is your gateway to ensuring your name is accurately represented on all future certificates. It's a simple yet essential step in maintaining the integrity of your educational accomplishments. After clicking on Request Name Change, a form will appear. This form is where you'll enter your name exactly as it is shown on your government-issued ID. Accuracy here is key because Coursera requires this information to verify your identity and approve any changes. Double-check the spelling and format to make sure everything matches up correctly with your official documentation. It's a good idea to have your ID handy while you're completing this part so you can cross-reference the details. This proactive measure will help you avoid any need for corrections later on. Once you've completed filling out the form, you're ready for the next step, which is submitting the request. Click the Submit button to send off your request for review. At this point, your work is done, and it's over to the Coursera team to verify and approve the submitted information. This request may take some time to process, so a bit of patience is important here. You'll be notified via email once the updates are complete or if more information is required. This communication will help you stay informed about the status of your request. Remember, making sure your name is correct on your educational credentials is essential not only for personal satisfaction, but also for professional recognition. Plus, it's a step forward in maintaining the professionalism and credibility of your learning credentials. This can be particularly important if you are planning to include these certificates in your professional portfolio or resume. And that's it. You've successfully requested a name change on your Coursera certificates. Easy.